group. Now, watching this video, you can do the same thing as told. So let's try this. They first take this one down, put the text up here. Here you can resize it as well. They keep this text up here and then keep this sign down here. You can see this is very similar to the example that they have provided. Now similarly you can work with this so that you get to know about how it works and how it goes. Now let's go to clear space. Use a clear space. Is there enough space around design elements? Clear space creates focus and helps identify what is important. So let's go to here. You can see the video, and similarly you can learn from the video and then play it. Here you can see how to resize. Just click on this and then you can simply click on the minus button or the plus button right now, making it like this. This is how the size works. Going to the other page, harness hierarchy. So you will read this first and then you will read this and then this bit. This is about how to create the harness hierarchy. It helps the viewer know what to read first is the most important information, the biggest, boldest or brightest. Let's go to the next page. Here you can see scale the text and object to show importance. We can go to this and do as they say here in the video. So right now, or you can create your own design as well. Here it shows change the text size to 72 right now. I don't know if you can see this, but you can click on this and then change the size to, they say it's 72. So here you can see 72. Now you see this is how it looks like. So this allows you to highlight important part of the text so the viewers find it easy to read it. After this, going to the fonts, finding the right font. Does your font complement what you are trying to communicate? Remember, when it comes to pairing fonts, opposites attract. So now this is about how to use different types of fonts so that